Hi guys, we are here today to play a game with you, and to join us today is my lovely assistant.
Hi.
It's MJ. MJ is my oldest son, and he's here to play the game with us. Okay guys, we're gonna play this game called Same Sound Sorting. So we're gonna sort some stuff that had the same sound. With me, I have some cards. I'm gonna show you what I have, and MJ has to find an object to match the sound of the picture. Ready? So for example, you ready for this, MJ?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me show you what we have. We have bed. We have bat. We have hat. Heart. Moon, jar, and nose. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give MJ this basket of goodies, and he's gonna actually look in here to find stuff that match the cards. Okay, and as always, I'm gonna put the cards down so that you guys can see everything. I'm gonna bring the camera down. Bring it down. These are the cards. So I'm going to put them all here very quickly. Watch your hand, Andrew. Okay, guys. Can you all see the cards? Okay, good. Now, MJ's stuff are all in this basket, okay? We're going to place them all over here so that you guys can see it. Let's help MJ figure out how to match the objects, okay? In our objects, we have a spoon. We have a dart. We have a flower, a rose. We have a Lego wearing a hat. We have the color red and a car. So MJ, looking at your cards that you have here, okay? And at the things that you have in front of you, we're going to try to match the sound with the item, okay? So I'm going to start and see what you can figure out, okay?
Okay.
This is moon. What do you think rhymes with moon? Guys, can you help them figure it out? There's different things here. What do you think will rhyme with moon?
What about spoon?
You're right, MJ. Spoon and moon rhyme. They sound the same. Spoon, moon. Very good, MJ. Now let's see if you can figure out heart. What sounds like heart?
Maybe red?
Let's see, guys. Heart, red. Does that sound the same? What do you guys think? No, MJ. You're going to have to try again, okay? Listen to the sound. Heart.
Dart.
Very good. Where's the dart?
It's right here.
Yes. Dart. Heart. Good job, MJ. Let's try again, MJ. We have bat. What rhymes with bat? Looking at all the objects that you have left.
My Lego character is wearing a hat, and that sounds like that.
Very good. Bat and
Hat.
hat. The Lego's wearing a hat. Bat, hat. Good job. Okay, you pick one, MJ. So I can see if I can find a rhyming.
Let's go with hat.
Ooh, MJ wants me to find something that sounds like hat. Well, is it car? Doesn't sound red, hat, red. Guys, help me out. Out of these 4 things that we have left, which one sounds like a hat? Hat, rose. Does that sound the same? No. Hat. Red. Does that sound the same, guys? No. Hat. Cat. I found it. Hat. Cat. That sounds the same. What do you think, MJ?
It does.
Good. Okay. Let's bring this one down. All right, MJ. Your turn. Can you find me something that rhymes with jar? What will rhyme with jar?
Well, red doesn't sound right. Jar, red.
No, it doesn't. Guys, can you help MJ? He's a little bit stuck.
Rose and jar don't sound right either.
No, it doesn't.
So the only thing left is car.
That's right. Car, jar. See how it sounds the same, guys? Car, jar. Good job.
Okay. I want you to give me an object that rhymes with nose.
Nose. Well, we only have two things. We have a rose and we have red. Guys, which one do you think rhymes with nose? Right here. I know. This one is easy. Nose, rose. See how it sounds the same? Do you hear it, MJ?
Yeah.
Nose, rose. Very good. And the last one, you want to do the honors?
Yep.
Last one is
Red
bed.
and bed.
What rhymes with bed?
Red.
Show me the red. Let's see. Bed,
Red.
bed.
Red.
Very good. Now let's check out all the items that we have in front of us with the same sound. Ready, guys? First one, well, not in the right order, but cat, hat. You do one.
Bat. Hat.
Very good. Heart, dart.
Jar. Car.
Very good. Moon, spoon.
And the final one,
Oh, yeah, two more.
oh, well, the second to last one. Bed. Red.
Yes. And the final one, like MJ said, nose, rose. You see, guys? There are many things that rhyme, right, MJ? Did you have fun?
Yeah, I really did.
Cool. I hope you guys like the game and that you try rhyming stuff in your house too, right? There are many things in your house that you can rhyme. So have fun with it. Bye, guys.
Bye.